Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to quickly and easily fix your subtitles on Crunchyroll. So, let's get started. On Crunchyroll, you will see section like watchlist, Crunchlist, history, and offline mode. So, note that offline mode requires a premium subscription. Alright, so let's proceed to the topic. Alright, so first go to your account in the bottom right corner. Then you will see option for audio language and subtitle language. Set this according to your preference, and make sure you select the language you want to use. So alright, once you're done, go to the anime you want to watch, such as Demon Slayer. So, if the subtitles aren't showing, click on the video and tap the settings icon that appears at the top. You will see playback settings here, alright? In the settings, you can adjust audio, subtitles, and quality. Okay, for audio, choose your preferred language and do the same for subtitles. Now, let's check it out. Alright, so now the subtitles should be visible. Alright, as you can see, the subtitles is now here. So now you know how to fix subtitles on Crunchyroll. So, that's it.